sana!
Hi guys! Today we're going to Enchanted Kingdom. Ay mali ata. Hi guys! Today it's 22nd of January and we're going to Enchanted Kingdom! Whee! Dito ba?
Hey guys, so this is my feed on Disneyland TikTok shop. At this closet, Mama Size Plus. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to ride because I'm not really scared of the rides. I'm just scared of vomiting.
Which way? Dito ah!
So guys, look, there's no line. What a good day to go, TK. Nahihilo na po sila agad. Grabe, ang taas! Takot ka ba, Nene? Hindi. Ka ba?
Tabi nga tayo! Ano?
Natakot ka ba? Oo. Eh. Guys, I don't think cell phones are allowed, but I'm gonna ask if this one's okay. Guys, hindi daw allowed. Guys, first ride done. Ay, kita si Kuya yan. For the second ride, we're gonna go Aguila. Time check, it is 1:59 p.m. We waited for an hour and we're still waiting. Ang tagal, guys. Grabe, guys, akala ko ayun na paglabas doon. Hindi pa pala. May isang pila pa po. Ayan o. Stay po, center lang po dapat.
Take the elements: earth, water, and air. Three precious elements. Oh, see what I mean? The power of the charms forces them.
Napagod na po kami kakapila, diba? I don't think it's even worth it. Worth it ba ang pila? Ang pila? Worth it ba ang pila? Pila. We just finished our second ride. It's actually good. Is it worth it, guys? Worth it na, bebe?
Laki-laki ang packet.
It's pretty good, but I wouldn't wait for that long for that ride again. Yours. It's waste of time. That's why it was a long walk. We had to go around the whole building. Ano, sige, pagaspas.
Doon ginanap yung
Guys, may kwento ako. Ay, sorry, hindi. Kanina while we were waiting, because there's students in front of us, and they were pointing at Bebe's pants. I was like, when I Charit, when I
When I met you.
Nung nakita ko sila na tinuturo yung pat ni Bebe, gumanta ako sa kanila. Yung parang I was gonna say, what about it? Ganang look. Tapos ayun, hindi na sila tumingin. Tapos when I look at Bebe's pants, nakita ko labas pala yung brief kaya tinuturo. Ito, fit check ni Bebe, ya. Eh. Ayun yung tinuturo kanina na para bang. Ayun, ang ganda. They showed Bohol. They showed, what's this? Mayon Volcano. This one's Banawe Rice Terraces. Mount Pinatubo. Lobok River, Bohol, Region 7. And this one, Whitewater Rafting. Cagayan de Oro. Cathedral Cave, Puerto Princesa. There's so many, guys. Basco Lighthouse. It's so good, guys. This is the one I was talking about. The windmills. Wind farms. Oh, what? I thought Baguio. It's a lot. Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna go there on Monday. Yeah, it was so good, guys. The ride was a 10 out of 10. Just the waiting time, that's the problem.
Agila.
Wala naman, pabalik.
On Magical Day to everyone, the Enchanted Kingdom Circle of Artists are waiting for you at Roosevelt. That's within a few minutes.
Yung totoo masakit ba? Well, nasaktan niya si Nene. Nabigyan mo ba, Bebe?
Saktong patay.
Hello ka, kuya.
Mabik pa ka bumaba sa jeep.
Anyways, I was recording because I'm gonna do retouch. No one wants to take my photo, guys. Nagpaparinig. May burger, may rice. Laki na. Mag-vlog ka dito, dali i-vlog no. Ikaw na.
Hindi ako vlogger, nahihiya ako.
Ikaw nga kayo mag-vlog, ikaw na lang mag-vlog.
Ano?
Ay, pwede po. Sino ate? Ako nga. 1, 2. Sinanin na lang. 3. Ay, Joseph. Ay po kayo. 1, 2, 3. Sige lang makiya. Oh, hindi kita sasali. 1, 2, 3. Kuya Joshua, ay bebe. Sama mo. Bola.
Yun lang.
Ay!
Ganyan mo sir, pwede ko malag...
Hindi pa ba dito?
Bawal po, dito lang sila
Gani ako lang.
Smile.
Hi.
Last game for the win.
Ang galing na lang. Alin? Ayan ko. Sana. Ayan na.
Thank you po.
Ang galing ni Nene. Sige, sige. Sa akin na lang. Charis. Pwede. Ang galing naman. Hi po. Nene. Yung ano mo, center. Oh my gosh, what was that?
Preno yun.
Narinig niyo yun?
Preno.
While riding, keep your hands
Hey guys. Everybody say. Uy, titingin kayo dito ah.
Wala ko doon.
No reaction challenge.
Di kaya, di kaya. Hindi kaya i-poker face.
Rate.
Ano lang? 8.5. Kaya doon.
Saan?
Tsaka dito, doon sa extreme, yung sa free fun.
Tara na. That was worth it, guys. We didn't have to wait.
Ka doon, di Arian.
It was not scary at all. Di ba, Nene? Nagsisisi ka bang hindi ka umano?
Magsisisi ako.
Sobrang saya, guys! I loved it!
Yun tayo guys. Yun tayo. Tatago namin yung cam na to. Next ride.
TikTok accent. This one is extreme, or what we call fearful in New Zealand, but this one is higher. Guys, kanina hindi sumama si ate, ngayon hindi ulit siya sasama. Para ate. Guys, someone changed their mind.
Napilit na.
Paano yung kaba? Ba? Ay, sorry. Hey guys, time check. It's 4:47 p.m. and we just did that extreme. Good thing I didn't bring my camera because it was so scary. Ito na po si anong pangalan? Erland? Ano pangalan ng ano? Garland? Eldar. Ay, Edgar. Ano? Ito po si Eldar kasama na. Naka-purple po kasi siya. Just mo.
Space Shuttle. Disco Magic.
Kahit ano.
Sa Magic. Magic. O, tara na.
Sa kanya tinutulog.
Sasama din siya. Po ang may work pero nandito po pag-alagala. Where are we? Tangiw. Anong next na ride? Kaya na kami sa Disco Magic. Nene. Hindi kita si Bebe.
Iba masasarap.
Para lang ako inikot-ikot na.
Hey guys, we're now going for our 5th ride, which is Rio Grande. Ready na ba silang mabasa? That's the question.
Hindi talaga ng...
Wala ka pa mali.
Magpapalit ako.
Ano?
Magpapalit.
Noah.
Hindi something. Try nyo
Eto na!
Walang selfie stick. Hindi pa kami nabasa ni Kuya Joseph at saka si Bebe.
Unang-una kami ni Ate.
Ang nabasahan lang yung pants ko, guys. Look. Since most of us got wet, we're gonna go jungle log.
Swerte nila, hindi nabasa.
Pumila na tayo.
Dag. Babasa! Cellphone ko! Yung cellphone ko! Naligot ko! Kukuskus na ako.
Naligo!
Basa na ako, guys! Woo! Eto na kami, guys! Basa na! Eto kami, oh! Basa na!
Oh my gosh! Buti na lang mayroon akong... That hurts! Kawawa po si Bebe, walang pamalit, tas nasa unahan pa siya.
Bago ligo ako, eh, oh. Pati cup basa. Brand new! Bagong laba! Bagong laba!
That's sila
Galaw, nandun na ako sa harap eh! Ibigay mo yung skirt mo kay Bebe. Kawawa naman si Bebe, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna go out to get change and come back and do the other rides. Maganda! Bebe will wear my jacket because he doesn't have any spare. Okay lang, di ba?
Okay lang.
Di ba? Suot mo na yung suot ko kanina. Huwag mong i-try.
Huwag mo na yung sarado.
Oh. Hey guys, 7th ride. I don't know, I lost count, but we're here at Bump Cars. Hey guys, we just finished riding Bump Car. And so fun. Yeah, nag-enjoy po. Ang line sa extreme, oh. Tara.
Tara dito.
Peace lang to. Wala pa eh. Wala pa. Nauna na kami, guys. na pa po sa taas. Hilo na. Okay, just pwedeng pahawak.
Wow, ganda ng bakal. Oh, kita-kita. Oh.
Tuyo na yung taas. Wala na, last na pala yun. Guys, worth it yung ride. Naka-take kami ng mga cute pictures ni Nene. Okay guys, it is 7:34 p.m. and EK will close at 8. So we have less than 30 minutes. And we're still waiting for them. This will be our last ride. Hey guys, bumili ng Dynamite. Naanghangan, so free food.
We'll close in 15 minutes.
The park will close in 15 minutes. Guys, I'm literally eating. Ang saya sa space shuttle. Ang saya. Especially yung yung pabalik. Yung nakatalikod kami. Nakaganon ka, bebe? Ay, di ang sakit nun. That was fun, guys. Masaya! Masaya! Halika na. That was fun. Medyo nahilo lang ako kasi my head kept bumping on the sides. Guys, nasa ulo ni Nene. Kami nang mag-close ng EK. 8:09 p.m. We're now going home. Or we might eat somewhere because we're all hungry. Because we only ate lunch. I'll show you what I got in a minute. Chicken gravy and this one's iced chocolate mocha. Burger steak. Dati lang pang. Sobra. Come on. Ayan! Dito ka dali! Dito dali!
Under the right comes to a complete stop. If you wish to ride
Rowan.
Let's go.
and enjoy your ride.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed your